I'll just tell you how to record text into a video and all that. The first thing is I've taken a text from a file. For example, this is the text. I'll copy this and then I'll go to the ElevenLabs.io and AI generated text converter. So I have pasted over this and I'll just give the text of the verses as like this. FAC 661 is like this, and now I'll generate the speech. So it gives me the speech. Once I get the speech, I'll download this. It will take a little bit of time.
பிள்ளைகளே, உங்களுடைய பெற்றோருக்கு
So
கர்த்தருக்குள்
now I
கீழ்ப்படியுங்கள்.
have got it. I have downloaded the file. Now it saves into a desktop. I can name it as Tamil file. Now it has been saved. Next, what I do is I just go over to another software called Audacity, where in the software I have already created a Tamil Audacity file on my desktop, which will be useful for me for every time. And then what I do is once I open this Audacity file, you can see this Audacity, you will get it everywhere in the internet. Okay, so I'll just go through this and then now what I do is see about this Audacity, AUDS UAT1. Okay, so next, now what I do is I take a file from this was the file which I had already created. I'll just mute this and show you what all these flags are about. This is a track of the song. Now I'll mute this and this I'll show you.
நடவாமலும் பாவிகளுடைய வழி.
So how do I bring over this? I'll just drag and put it over here. So I'm taking the final which we had already created. I'll copy this and I'll increase the volume of the file. Yeah, now this is done. I will cut it and I'm going to paste it over here. I'll paste it. Yes, I've pasted it. Now I'll just drag all this file over here and then I'll unmute everything. Now what I do is this is over for me, so I'll just delete over the unwanted rest of the file and I can just use the music to fade out a little at the end. It can be effect fading and then fade out. So it's done. So you can hear the entire part.
அனுதினம் மன்னா.
பிள்ளைகளே, உங்களுடைய பெற்றோருக்கு கர்த்தருக்குள் கீழ்ப்படியுங்கள். இதுவே சரியானது.
So this is done. I'll export it as export audio and then I will save this as an MP3 as a file. And the next I go for Canva. Canva is the best software for video editing, and in the Canva, once I open, I have already have a preset of what I had created already. So you can see this. Okay, now what I do is I go from here, I copy the verse. So I'll take this verse and then I'll just paste it over in the Canva. The verse is done. Now the chapter verse, everything as like is easy for us, we'll be doing it. After this, I have already created an audio file. I'll go to the upload and from the upload files I'll upload the audio here. Okay, so it was called as the Tamil file. So now I have uploaded the audio. Once the Tamil comes up, okay, I drag this and play over this. So once it is done, you can see that. Then I'll just share this and then I can download the file which I want. For example, the page one, only the one. Yes, done. So I can rename that and then it stores on my desktop as like whatever I want.